I'm sure all the speakers and many of the people that have come on have spoken a great deal about Mr. Jaswant Singh. I mean, I'm sure you're all aware of his credentials, and I'd just like to request all of you all to do what you can by virtue of supporting our chief guest. I believe this is not a plug, but I do believe that as many esteemed people here have come up on stage and categorically conveyed to you that this is a man of great conviction and great morality. They say conscience is a trait which politicians don't really carry, but I think Mr. Singh is someone who displays that in abundance, and I think his actions speak far louder than his words. The next person I'd like to call on the lectern is our chairman, host for this evening, Mr. Javed Raja, chairman for Peace International. Please give him a warm round of applause.
Honorable Jaswant Singh Sahab, my dear friend Keith Best, Bashir Chaudhry Sahab, Amir Modi Sahab, Sanjay Sahab, and my very respectable friend Mr. Ashish Roy. Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to you. I think it won't be fair that when a personality like Mr. Jaswant Singh is there, and I do apologize from my friends who was in the list like Bashir Chaudhry Sahab and Mr. Ashraf Chauhan Sahab, that I'm not saying anything because he is in a rush, and I hope my friend do understands that we are here to listen. We meet each other every day. We want to listen and as much as time which we can take. It is a part of our history. And this movement, after a second, it will be converted to the past. It won't left anything that the present, it will go past. And then in the future, nobody knows except the God that what is going to be happening. So let's have the max out of it from Mr. Jaswant Singh. And the only thing, as a token of respect, as a tribute to a gentleman who is a classic soldier, a classic neat personality, as a politician, and I do feel privileged with my conviction as a Pakistani, as a son of a soldier, that I think the person who write for the nation of the father Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he had done a tremendous job for our father. And when somebody who is from us, if he's paying that much tribute to our father, and then I feel all of us from Pakistan, it is our responsibility to honor that gentleman with the pride and the respect, who respect our father, Mr. Singh. This is a word of a Rajput to you, along with the presence of all Indian and Pakistani. We are after every step to step with you for this noble cause of peace, and we salute you. And you did mention other day in House of Commons when you said that you give one of your pagri to Mian Nawaz Sharif, and I accept that gesture, and as a son of a child from Pakistan, we promote you and we feel proud to be announced you as an ambassador for South Asia for the peace. All of us, we are less in a quantity, but we are much more. People will learn the qualities in the presence of you and the people that keep that. I therefore feel privileged to put this shawl on your shoulder to respect our father. Ladies and gentlemen, I just finished with this word, that this is a part of the history which a writer has to write, and there's a lot behind it. Once again, I won't say anything more because we want to listen, Mr. Singh. I pay tribute and our respect from all of us. And we want that the noble one which you have chosen, with your conviction, as what they say, you have to pay the price for it, what you say or what you write about it. And Mr. Singh, the people of South Asia are looking, including why I said, because I think the boundaries which been created at that time, we have to come up with a positive thought, and the thought and the line which I given it to you, I'll say that we salute you and we welcome you for your thoughts. Thank you very much.